this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to load a code on your 1xBet account. Before we proceed, don't forget to use the promo code Chelsea TV when you register into your 1xBet account. And to do that, you click on the big green register button above. When you do that, you click on full. In this next section, you input all the necessary information needed. And on your promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting the promo code Chelsea TV, you get a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which is when you deposit $300, you get $400, and then you can go ahead and register. So okay guys, back to our video. To load the code on 1xBet, you click on Bet Slip. On this next section, you click on Load Bet Slip. So I already have a code I want to load, so this is it, and then I click on Load. So after my bet slip has been loaded, the games will come up, and then you can go ahead and bet.